Welcome to Odd Autos. This is Custom or Classic. Welcome back everybody to part 1 million of Custom or Classic. No, I think it's part 9. Yeah, part 9. This video, we're going to be getting this front end off, so it's going to be a lot of off and on and off and on, getting everything absolutely spot on. Already we've built it up once to check obviously the inner wings are on right, they're perfect. Now it's the front panel that's playing up. Where it meets the wing here is absolutely perfect, but this side we've got about a 10 mil gap. So I'm going to leave Keith and Simon to get on with it. I think it's this top lip needs redoing, or bottom here somewhere, you know, they're the guys. I'll leave them to it. See you in a bit.
Right, Simon. Panels are on.
Most of it's fitting all right.
Yeah.
Most of it. Wing is bent.
Yeah. This is the thing of spending, you know, a lot of money on the genuine, proper manufactured wings or the cheaper wings. We've got a bad fitment there, so well, we can sort. Well, you can sort that out, can't you?
Yeah.
Sit then. Quick rub down and get the paint.
Yeah.
That's sell, mate. That's lovely. Tell you what we've got to do, what we really got to do, is put the doors on.
Yeah.
Before we start welding the wings and stuff as well.
Yeah, check the door gaps.
Yeah. That's really not good, mate.
That is fucking terrible.
If that clips underneath there, then that brings that an inch down too low.
Wow, yeah, I can get my hand down this bit, that. So this X-Pac kit is really starting to do my head in. I know it's not an original kit, but it's supposed to be molded off an original X-Pac kit, and just the shape is totally off. Nothing fits. It's going to take a lot of cutting and not bodging, but a lot of fiberglass work to get it on there. And the problem is with fiberglass is eventually it'll crack, or if you just touch the front end, it's just going to split and fall off and ruin the car. So we got it dead level, haven't we?
Yeah. It fits in these air ducts here.
Yeah.
So that's bang in the middle. That's lovely there.
And that's in the middle of that.
Yeah.
Well, I've got, so where this comes round for the arch, I've got just over 3-inch gap, you know, from the arch to the end of the...
Yeah, well, I can tell straight away. I've got 1.5 inches.
Yeah, so this shape
is wrong.
It's just totally wrong. This doesn't fit right. this like pulls in this side and not that side.
Yeah, so we'd have to cut that and remould it. We ain't got the time.
It's just going to crack in it.
Yeah.
We've already cut loads of bits off it and spent hours trying to get it working, and it's just not working.
Yeah, there's always that.
Oh, what can we do? Thinking about it, up on the shelf, I bought a couple of years ago a forest
Oh, the forest arch
kit, you know, the one with the flat top
yeah.
and the little chin spoiler.
Try that.
Just give it a go.
Yeah.
Right, let's whip this off and bang an arch on, see what it's like, yeah? The only problem is I've cut 2 big holes out as well.
Yeah. Simon!
Oh, it looks better already. Bit of
Fettling.
it'll look mint. How do?
Yeah, it's going to be easier, isn't it?
Yeah. Just the job, mate. Much better than that other crap.
Yeah. I mean, I prefer them, but...
Yeah, I prefer the X-Pac. It's just that...
It's crap.
If you...
X-crap.
Yeah, it's cheap eBay stuff again. So, right, let's get fitting. And there we go, have a look at that. Took like 2 hours to fit, much better than that X-Pac kit. I know the X-Pac kit would have looked the dog's danglies, but the kit we got was absolute. So I think it was option A on the video all those years ago to make it look like this. So I think a nice set of 13-inch or 15-inch mini lights, slam it to the ground, it's gonna look mint. So next up, Keith and Simon's going to make a start on the rear tubs.
Yeah, rear tubs. For real. So first job is drill out all the spot welds and then cut it off the rear quarter. Once we've cut it, a couple of bangs, and it's out. Now see how big the new arch is, so we can fit some nice big chunky wheels on it. And then the next job is getting the grinder out and doing all the cutting in the sparks.
Are you going to be welding?
Might be. Are you going to be painting?
Might be.
Right, okay. Tubs in.
Yeah, it's all cut out.
Yeah. Are we going to push it up, get it level,
Yeah, push it, get it level, tack it on where it is.
and then tack round?
Yeah, and then we can start trimming the excess off and get it all tacked on. And then we can get it fully welded.
Bang the weld up. Weld?
Weld?
Bang the wheel arch on.
Yeah.
Right, tubs in, mate. Arch is on and drilled. Let's slap her on.
And that's it. That's all we got time for this video. What do you think of that? Looks mint. Shame we couldn't use that X-Pac kit. I mean, the fronts we could have started cutting the wings off and trying, But when we got to the back, we measured, and from here to here, it was actually 1.5 inches longer the one side than the other. So just basically a really nasty kit that was made. But yeah, I think this is gonna look cool. Nice set of mini lights, drop it down a bit. It's the way to go, isn't it? Another thing, the competition website, I've got a name for it now. What's the word I always use? Mint. So it's going to be called Mint Competitions. So every car that goes on there, they're going to be mint and give you a chance to win them. So www.mintcomps.co.uk, that's the website, and hopefully it will soon be done. So from me, as always, I'll say see you again. Ta-da.
If I pish,
You can pish it.
Outtake.
We would like that. Me and my words.
Loser! Oh no!
Were you recording? Oh, are we? All right, okay.
and then, oh, whose was that?
May change from me and Paul.
Try cutting this front. Watch my bird's nest.